Have you ever wondered why some people quietly build fortunes while others spend their lives chasing the next paycheck? It's not luck. It's not even timing. It's knowledge. Calm, steady, patient knowledge. Welcome to the most relaxing guide to the stock market you'll ever watch. Close every other tab. Take a breath. You're about to understand money in a way schools never taught you. This isn't about hype or quick trades. It's about the peaceful art of growing wealth while you live your life. The stock market. It's not a casino, it's a living organism. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of real businesses. Companies run by people solving problems, creating value, building futures. Every share is a seed. The more you nurture it with time and consistency, the more it grows. Picture this. If you'd invested just $100 a month into an index fund 20 years ago, you'd now have thousands. Not through magic, through something Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world, compounding. Money earns money. Then that new money earns more money. It's quiet, invisible, but unstoppable. The biggest mistake new investors make, thinking it's all about timing. It's not. It's about time in the market. Every day you wait to start, your money loses a day to grow. Even small, consistent investments beat big, emotional ones. And here's a truth that feels like a secret. Every crash in history has eventually been followed by a recovery. Markets fall and rise again and again. If you stay calm while others panic, you win. We'll get deeper into this soon, but first, understand this. Wealth rewards patience. Now let's talk about how to actually invest. The right way, the calm way. There are two main approaches, active and passive investing. Active means picking individual stocks, trying to beat the market. Passive means owning the entire market through index funds or ETFs. Most professionals fail to beat the market long term, so for most people, the best move is simple. Buy index funds, hold them, and keep adding regularly. Let's break this down like a practical roadmap. Step 1. Create a clear goal. What are you investing for? Freedom? Retirement? Peace of mind? Write it down. It's your North Star. Step 2. Build your emergency fund first. 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting safely in a savings account. This is your safety net so you never panic sell when markets drop. Step 3. Choose your platform and start small. There's no shame in beginning with $10, $50 or $100 a month. The secret is consistency. Set it, forget it, and let it grow. Step 4. Understand diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Hold different sectors, countries, and asset classes. Stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate or gold. Diversification keeps your emotions steady. Step 5. Automate everything. Auto-investing means you buy without overthinking. When you remove emotion, you remove mistakes. Now here's something most people overlook. Your mindset is your biggest asset. Markets are emotional machines. People buy high when excited, sell low when scared. You must do the opposite. Stay calm when the world panics. Remember 2008? Or the crash of 2020? Those who stayed invested doubled or tripled their wealth afterward. Because chaos creates opportunity for the calm and prepared. And let's touch on a deeper point. Financial independence. It's not about owning yachts. It's about buying time. The freedom to choose what your day looks like. Money is only a tool for peace. Now imagine, 10 years from now, your investments quietly working while you sleep. Dividends reinvesting, compounding doing its magic, stress nowhere in sight. That's not a dream. That's the calm investor's life. Stay till the end, because soon we'll talk about how to make this path personal, how to actually structure your own wealth plan in 2025 and beyond. Let's make this practical. Here's your personal framework to build wealth with peace. Spend less than you earn, but don't live miserably. Balance is key. Save automatically. Treat it like rent, non-negotiable. Invest automatically, every week, month, or paycheck. Keep learning. Read one finance article daily. Never make emotional decisions about money. If you follow these steps for even 5 years, your life will change. Now, let's talk psychology, the invisible side of investing. Your brain is wired to react to loss stronger than to gain. That's why crashes feel painful and bull markets feel short. Train yourself to see both as part of the same rhythm. When prices drop, you're not losing, you're buying cheaper. When prices rise, you're not winning, you're holding your ground. True wealth comes from emotional control. Now let's visualize something together. Imagine yourself a decade ahead. Your portfolio's grown. You understand money. You don't chase hype or panic over news. You sleep peacefully, knowing your money works for you. That's wealth, quiet, steady, reliable. So what's next? Action. After this video, take a single step. Open a free investing account. Learn about ETFs. Start small, but start now. Because the sooner you begin, the sooner your future self thanks you. And remember, wealth isn't loud. It doesn't shout or flash, it whispers. It grows in silence like a tree, and one day you look back and realize you've built a forest. If this calm journey inspired you, leave a like, share it with someone who deserves peace and prosperity, and subscribe to Assetnova Studio, where we teach you how to grow wealth quietly, intelligently, and peacefully. Because money isn't about greed, it's about freedom, balance, and peace of mind. Start your journey today.